About career choosing life, AP Psychology is a course everybody could benefit from. Every class discusses the topics like behavioral analysis, brain functions, and one's personality. From games to professional guests, Ms. Lombana always keeps learning in her class interesting.
The first few concepts that we learn in the class are science-based topics. The first units that we learn about are research methods. Here, students learn about the various research methods in psychology, as well as to see if they are valid or ethical as well. Students learn about the different parts of the brain, as well as how we process information and how our memory works. Students learn about human development and the different stages and how these stages affect our behavior. Students learn about the differences between learned and unlearned behavior. Last but not least, we focus on social psychology, where we look at our social attitudes and how society affects our behavior. Ready?
There's a lot of reading, there's a lot of in-class discussions, there are a lot of debates that Ms. Lombana loves, of course. She brings in some visitors sometimes to talk to us, people that know about psychology, that are in the field, and it's great.
In order for students to be successful in an AP course, there are certain characteristics that they should have. One of them being that they should be motivated and dedicated to their schoolwork. They should be able to work independently at home and in charge and responsible for all their schoolwork. They need to have good reading and comprehension skills since they will be reading college-level textbooks. They need to have time management skills. They need to be able to dedicate an hour to an hour and a half every single day to the course. If they have too many rehearsals or extracurricular activities every single day after school, this course may not be the one for them. And lastly, they really need to enjoy the content or the information in order to be successful in the course.
One thing you can expect from AP Psych is that it's going to be a lot of reading, but it's ultimately beneficial because you can apply it to your real life and you can learn more about the people around you and more about yourself. It's a lot of hard work and a lot of studying and reading, but it's beneficial in the end because you learn a lot.
Thanks to all the effort Ms. Lombana puts into every little detail and every little laugh, each class is beyond enjoyable and a great learning experience.
AP classes definitely makes an impact on your transcript. Remember, college admissions people will look at the school profile, they'll look at the course offering, they'll look at your transcript, and they'll compare that. And they want to know that you're taking rigorous courses. So it definitely does help, and it's a very competitive environment. So look at, see if you're taking AP, if you're not taking AP, are you taking honors classes, and then the general classes, obviously. That's one of the potentials of looking at AP from a different lens. Even if you're taking one or two, it's important to kind of always push yourself, because if you're just taking honors and they feel that you can actually have a little bit more rigorous schedule, they're going to look at that. So to me, the AP classes are important. Maybe it's not 5 AP classes, but maybe it's 1 or 2 or 3 by the time that you do finish. Remember, they're looking at your 9th grade through your 12th grade, and they're going to see from 9th grade to 12th grade, did you increase? And did you take more rigorous classes? You know, the AP classes tells them that you can take college level classes, that you can take, you're reading textbooks that are college level, you're taking exams that are college level. So they're gonna, if you get 1 C out of and you've taken 4 AP, it's not going to be a concern. Again, if you're taking 4 APs and each of them you're getting a C on, it's a concern because it's telling them that you're not able to work at a college level. So there's always a red flag when you do that. And again, the only thing I want to say about AP, down the road when you get to college, it's really a cost savings because they will take levels 3s, 4s, and 5s when you take the exam, especially at the state schools, and you'll save time and you'll save money.